Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make my Chipotle inspired bowls. First things first, we're going to cook up some white rice, and also we're going to brown the meat of our choice. I am browning my meat in a pan with a little bit of canola oil and a little bit of seasoning salt. My rice has a very little amount of salt. I don't really put much rice in it, and I like it just white and plain and yummy and delicious. That's how I love my rice. So this is the seasonings that I put on my food. The salt was for my rice, and the canola oil and the other seasoning salt went onto my meat. You can substitute this for chicken if you like, or any other type of meat that you want. This is asada, and it's just cut up into a lot of little pieces. What you can do while that cooks is make your pico de gallo. Here I am rubbing some canola oil on my fingers before I do chop up my green peppers. I used half of a tomato and half of a small onion. I did put the canola oil on my fingers just so that if this pepper is too spicy, the hotness of this pepper usually sticks to my fingers, and I'm pretty sure like everybody else's. And I hate that so much because I've accidentally touched my eyes or touched my nose, and then forget it, I'm crying forever. So that is exactly why I started rubbing the canola oil on my fingers. What I do here is I do add a little bit of salt to my pico de gallo. Sometimes I add lemon. In this case, I did not add the lemon. I just added the salt, and I mixed it up really nicely, made sure that everything is mixed well, and I popped it into the fridge for a little bit while I'm finished cooking my food and cutting everything else up that I need. I put it in the fridge so it gets a little cool. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to cut up some lettuce. And what I like to do to keep my lettuce fresh while my food is still cooking is I cut it up very thinly. I get a bowl and I fill it with cold water, and I put my lettuce in that bowl and let it sit until I'm good and ready to use it. Once our rice is done, we're going to get our bowl or our plate, scoop up some rice for the bottom. Then we're going to scoop over that some meat or chicken, whatever it is that you decided to put into your bowls. Then we're going to add the lettuce. If you love lettuce, make sure you put a bunch of it. I love lettuce. Also some pico de gallo. Thankfully, my daughter and me and my girlfriend, we all like pico de gallo, so it's okay. It's not too spicy. And then I add some cheese. I love cheese, as you guys know. I've said it so many times. And then finally, over top, I put the sour cream. And that is your Chipotle inspired bowls. Thank you for watching.